Hey guys, this is Aditya and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will tell you how to make Google Forms. As you know that during this pandemic situation, all the school and colleges are closed and in most of schools the teachers are taking tests through Google Forms. So today I will tell you how to make that Google Form. So let's begin with this video. First you have to on your network. My network is already on, and then open your Google and then search here Google Forms. After searching Google Forms, open this website Google Forms sign in. It's opening now. So you can see here the home page is display of the website. Here you can see there is untitled form. So here you have to add your form's name. So I will add here as my channel name Aditya, Aditya, and description. What should I keep description? Let's write this. Do it. Then here is untitled question. Here you have to put your first question. Means my first question is, would you like this video? Like this video. And then question mark. After that here this is showing multiple choice. If you want here the short answers means as answer in one word, so you can do it changes here also. Short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, checkbox, drop down, file upload, liner scale, multiple choice grid, tick box grid, date and time. So for MCQs you have to click on multiple choice, which is already here. Option 1 you have to put whatever you want to put. I will put it here as yes. And second option no. Okay. Then for another question, for another column of question, we have to click on this plus sign and add here another question, and then that like that also multiple choice questions, short answers, whatever you want. After that, if you want to put here image, so you also can put here image by click on this symbol. I am clicking here. Insert image means here upload means from browse, it means from Google search. Camera means our photos of camera. By URL means the URL of photos, and photos means our normal photo which we click from our camera, and Google Drive means our Google Drive photo. Now I don't want to keep your photos, I will not. If you want to put the photo, you can put this also. After doing this, if your form is ready, so you can curl it if you want. See, here is the option of curls. There is a background curl option. There is 4 option only. So if I want to choose this, so I will choose this. And theme curl, I want to choose it as green. Here is another option also like this, but I want that only. If you want this, you can also do this. And there is font styles, means your handwriting. The question which is written in style, it will change if you will select it. See, I will select it as decorative, means the handwriting will be decorative. And here this is given theme option, choose an image. So you have to click it here, and here the themes will come like this. If you not like all these themes, so there is other option also, click on this other, it will come. Except that there is no other option, but if you want to put it by searching on Google, so you have to click it on upload and search on Google, and then you can put. And in photos you can put it your photos also, but it will be the size of this only, it will not increase. So I want to keep this. So then we are here like this, will notification will show. Click on insert, it will insert it. Now click on apply. So you can see here my handwriting is already changed. You can see, would you like this video, my handwriting is changed. And this is my channel form names, which I keep it as my channel name Aditya, and description is my do it. And my theme color is this I already told you. And if you want to send it to your friends, just click on it, share. Wherever you want to share it with your friends, through Gmail, through WhatsApp, through messages, you can share it. Yeah, and here is, after closing it, yeah, I forget to tell you that in this there is mark setting also. Means the person who you are filling the form will get the marks in just a second on click on the option of submit. So for that, open the form. It's opening now. After that, click on this and this setting option, and you can see this settings is open. Collect email address means the form you are sending to your friends or relatives for to whom you want to send. It will collect through your email address. Limit to one response means the person who is giving this test will respond only one time. Means one email id can give only one time. So if you on this option, so one email id will give only one time. Edit after submit means already I told you that you can get you will able to know the marks after clicking on submit. Edit after submit means the person who is giving the test can edit it after submit, can change your answer. See summary charts and text responses means the person who is filling the form, we will able to get this notifications on your phone. Presentation, you have to on both these options. And quizzes, make this quiz, you have to just on this automatically, all will on. Then click on save. Here you can see it's on now. I will keep my this title also as Aditya, and description, do it. Untitled question, my first question will be my subscribers are 20 to 20. Is it correct? No. Means the option 1 no, and another option I will add yes. And you are making the form means you have to put points also. So then right click on this right symbol, click on this right symbol. Now points, whatever of marks you want to make you can. So I will put this as 3 marks. And then add answer feedbacks means anyone will write correct answer, so they will get like this right, and anyone will write wrong, so then they will get like this. Whatever you want to do, and then click on save, and then choose correct answer because we are making the form, so we have to choose correct answer. So then my subscriber are 220 means no, so I will click on it no, and then done means my first question is done. And you want to add other, so you can click on this and can add other also, and can do like this. In this also the handwriting can change as I show you. See, I will show you again. This basic, the whatever you want to background color, this time I will put like this, and the font style playful, and the color red. Choose an image. This time I will put image this, insert, then apply. How simple it was. And then after again you have to share it. If you will share it with your friends, so your friends will able to know the marks in just a second after clicking on submit, and you also will get that how many responses of this test you got. Okay, so then if you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give likes. Thank you. Bye. We will meet again.